Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic Coin. Now, can Terra Classic Coin hit $1 in 2023? Can it hit $1 this year? Remember, so many people have been predicting $1, and $1 is definitely not going to be easy, but there's a possibility that this coin can hit that level. But there are only 5 things that are required for this coin to hit that level of hitting $1. Number 1 is Terra Classic need to burn about 5 trillion coins, and they need to really destroy these coins. It's not easy to destroy this coin because when you take a look at the burning record of last year, they burned about over 37 billion within the space of 12 weeks. Now, Terra Classic also need to get the support and listing of Coinbase and Robinhood and other top crypto exchanges. And number 3, Terra Classic need a high market cap. Right now the market cap is still trading between 900 and 1 billion. For it to hit $1, Terra Classic market cap need to hit over 10 to 50 billion. I don't think they need about up to $50 billion market cap or even $100 billion market cap, but right now they are still on 900 million. So you see, it's not going to be easy for Terra Classic to hit that level. But when you talk about Terra Classic hitting 1 penny, 1 cent, or even 10 cents this year, yes, it's possible because the market cap can hit up to 5 to 10 billion, and with 10 billion, Terra Classic will definitely hit about 1 cent or 5 cents or even 10 cents. But for me, I think the thing they need to focus more this year is to destroy Terra Classic coin. They have about 6 trillion coins out there, and then they need to burn at least 5 or 5.5 trillion coins, which is not going to be easy. But if they can really achieve that, we might be seeing Terra Classic at a very high level this year. And remember that Binance founder has been supporting this coin, and the support need to continue. And I still believe, well, to me, I think $1 is not going to be possible. It's not easy, not going to be possible, but I don't think it's going to be possible because they need a very high market cap and they need a lot of support. They need a lot of burning, which I believe that even before the middle of this year, Terra Classic might just be hitting just 300 to 500 or 1000%. So you see, I believe deleting 10 or 2 zeros is possible, which is 1 cent before the end of the year. But for $1, if it happens, then this is crypto industry for you, and I hope to see this coin definitely hit a massive increase in price. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.